Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a wig review of the classic Cool from Raquel Welch in the color R61, also known as Palest Pearl. So this wig has a really interesting shape to it. It's a beautiful sort of razored bob with these very shattered ends that are cut in all kinds of different ways. I mean, it's so incredibly textured, and the more I play with it, the more it really will bring out how kind of edgy and kind of punktastic all of that layering is. The front is very, very straight, and it's also heavily layered. It's quite long. It's 5.5 inches, but it's heavily shattered texture, so you can see that it's not cut evenly, and that is on purpose. So no two of these wigs are ever gonna look the same because that cutting and the styling is done by hand, and everyone that does this in the factory does it a little bit differently. But the gist will look like this, and it will have a nice overall rounded shape with shattered ends, lots of potential for layering and texture to be played with to give you a lot of volume. And you couple that with the fact that you get this generous amount of permatease. I mean, you could see even when I flatten the hair down, that sort of builds towards this permatease at the crown. So let me show you what this one looks like on all sides, and then I'll fluff her up, and then I'll do it again. Okay, so this is what this looks like when you play with this. You know, kind of like tickle monster, like you're gonna tickle a little child. You wanna sort of tickle the wig and make it release these layers. Make sure you wanna keep this wig before you go this far into the styling of it, because, you know, you don't wanna do this if you're gonna try to return it. Let's see how cool this looks, hence the name. Just beautiful layering everywhere on this wig with an overall shape of a beautiful, stacked, layered, rounded bob with a lot of teasing at the crown. Let me take this one off so I can show you the cap construction. This is a monofilament side part wig with a lace front. She's also got permatease, as I mentioned before, that goes all over this side of the wig, so the right side, the parts on the left. And then it's gonna have a big bump of permatease right back here at the crown as well, as I showed you. It's gonna have partially felt covered ear tabs, but it's also going to have lace that covers part of the ear tab as well. So the lace actually goes from the top of each ear tab over, and then kind of melts into the rest of the ear tab. I'll show you that in a little bit more detail when I put her back on. She's also got an extended felt nape with these Velcro adjusters. And this one does stretch pretty well. There's also a little bit of silicone on the elastic that connects all these wefts. So if you have hair back there like I do, even if it's a little bit of hair, those won't aid in grip, but they won't pull your hair either. These are really meant for people, this feature here is meant for people who don't have bio hair back here. They're completely clean shaven because this silicone will grip to bare skin. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on now. I love the front on this. I mean, that's just really edgy, particularly in a color like this. Now you can see what I did there. I intentionally moved the hair over so you could see the part and where that seam is. If you move, see that seam, that line? If you try to move the part away from where that monofilament is, you will see the seam on either side. That is not a flaw. That is how a lot of these monofilament side part wigs are made. So when I say it goes from ear tab to ear tab, you can see that the lace actually goes from here all the way to here on the other side. You can really see where that begins and ends on me because my bio hair is a darker color. People ask how I cover my sideburns. I don't. I try to pick colors that match my sideburns, or I'll shave my hair. So That's it. That's Classic Cool, and this one's by Raquel Welch. The color has been R61, also known as Palest Pearl. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you'll check out our store if you get a chance. We've got a great team at CysterWigs, so we're really happy to hang out with you and chat with you. So, if nothing else, make sure you chat us up in the comment section of this video. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.